ready to make your Fabric Minecraft experience even better. Let's install Optifabric and crank up those graphics. First, Fabric Loader is essential. If you don't have it, get it from the Fabric website. Select Release Versions, hit New Installation, name it, choose Fabric Loader from the versions, and create Launch that profile once to generate needed files. Skip this step if Fabric is already installed. Next, head to the Optifabric download page, find the right file. Usually, the first option is find, save the downloaded file somewhere easy, like your downloads folder. Close Minecraft if open and reopen the Minecraft launcher. Choose your Fabric profile before you hit play. Click Edit in the corner. Inside the profile editor, select More Options, then open Mods folder. Now, drag and drop the Optifabric file you downloaded right into this Mods folder. Close the Mods folder plus the editor, and save changes if needed. Then launch Minecraft using your Fabric profile. The first load might take a bit longer. Once in-game, you'll find OptiFine settings done. Optifabric is now installed. Enjoy better graphics, shaders, and improved performance in Fabric Minecraft. Have fun.